An unboxing video, got Pokemon cards, which was $40. Let's open this one on Sun and Moon Ultra Prism. Alright, we got a Grow Gunk, we got an Eevee, a Vulpix, a Diglett, a Shinx, a Yamaga, Hit Downing, an energy card, a trainer thing, a Cherrymon, Magnetum. We got one of these. First card. I'm sorry that I'm having trouble with these. It's hard for me. We have a Magnet, a Voltibor, a Diglett, Centipede, Polwing, a Magcarp, Arceus, energy card, a Trainer Evolution, Metapede. We got a Scatterbug, XU, Flabby, Swab, a Minidaris, Flabby. We got a Morok, a Go-Get, a Trainer, a Flaxaria. We have a Ralts, we have a Crabrawler, we have a Senzio, we have a Fenipede, we have a Horsey, we have an Arkward, we have a Mudzao energy, we have a Sviverpy, Trainer. We have a Chinook, we have a Cutiefly, a Dragonite, we have a Sparrow, a Pizduck, Epic Share, a Dragonite, 160, 200 damage. Bro, that card's awesome. Energy card, a Trainer, Spinada, Arkwand, and one of those. And we got one less. We got a Yongles, a Rosiga, a Cosmog, a Tortwig, Electric Buzz, Magmire, Magarena, energy card, Gumshoes, a Luxo, and a Trainer. And now we are on to the good cards. We got our Ralkino GX, Declaws 30, Thunder 150, 180, Health NT, Fire Fang 100. Now the best card of all, 500 HP, Be Legendary, Radikou, Entei, and Sarsine Embeck on a year of legendary adventures. This card's awesome, and that's all for the video today. Bye, guys.